right, guys, we're at Martin, Michigan, US 131 Motorsports Park. Got my man Paul Svinicki here, going for the 7.3 Godzilla record this weekend. Look at that nitrous. 200 shot, boom, right in the throttle body. You see the nozzle right there. He's gonna inject this thing, he's gonna spray it, it's gonna be big time. Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's go. Woohoo!
Let it eat.
So ball going 927 on a 907. Ball will get chased. And it is 936. Oh, Brett Walker is going to be sad here. 991 with a 7 on 992, a 2000s breakout.
So far, he's broken it. 917, 920, which is quicker than you ran last time, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So what did you do to up the performance?
So we basically figured out a little bit with the nitrous system a little bit, right, and some timing issues that we had, but now it's running clean, makes nice clean passes. You saw it leave yesterday, boom. Nice.
Yeah, you lifted the wheels, man. That was sweet.
Absolutely. It was perfect.
What's it feel like to drive it?
Oh man, it torque. We have torque. The 7.3, 446 cubic inches. We got a little bit of torque, man. It feels good. Put you in the seat, bam.
That's what I'm saying. Like Coyote, you love the Coyote, but you wait for it to rev up. Does this thing just hit you right away?
Yeah, right away. Right away. Torque, right in the butt.
How much nitrous are we running?
So we're 200 shot. We're running a 200 shot this morning, and we had 175 yesterday. We got 200 today. So we're going to try and go a little bit faster. The weather's a lot better.
Okay,
so this morning,
feels better.
It feels better, yeah. We're only 2,000 feet DA, so high humidity, but we're going to try and go for it.
That's why you run the nitrous, right?
Absolutely. Gives us our own atmosphere, right?
Exactly. All right, so Paul's going to get strapped into the car, and we're going to walk up to the line and cross our fingers.
Absolutely.
Hopefully, I don't know if we're going to go 8s today, but we could probably go a 9.0 if with that a little extra juice.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thanks,
All right.
Ev.
Hammer,
Appreciate it, man.
hammer.
All right.
Yep.
See ya.